Brad. Just want to say happy birthday and happy Father's Day and enjoy.
Got your mother in the world. She's not sure if you're a boy or a girl. Hey baby, that's alright. Hey baby, listen to me. You like me if you like it all. You love dancing and you look divine. You love bands when they play it hard. You want more, you want it fast. They put you down, they say I'm wrong. You tacky thing, you put them on.
Hi John, happy birthday, what an amazing day, hi! And for Molly!
Happy birthday, John! So glad to have traveled 4,000 miles and we'll do an additional 4,000 for you. Love you so much. Happy 50th.
Hi John, happy birthday!
Hey, John.
The North American contingent here.
That's right, glad we could make it all the way out here for you.
And as the Proclaimer said, we would walk 500 miles for you, or fly 5,000.
Yeah.
Hope you have a good upcoming year and upcoming next 50. And we'll see you in Chicago. Or Vancouver.
Or Vancouver, yeah.
Happy birthday.
Hi John, happy birthday mate.
Happy birthday John.
Happy birthday John. Happy birthday John. Have a great time tonight.
We're delighted to be here today on this very auspicious occasion to celebrate your 50th birthday. Now John, you can do whatever you like, so go for it mate.
Okay, have a fantastic, wonderful, wazza birthday. John, you lovely, lovely fellow. 50 years, you'll never catch up with me, but that's okay. Good on you.
John, it's about time you stop standing in the manure.
Happy birthday John, keep eating those greens and you'll grow.
Happy birthday, John.
Happy birthday John. It's to you. Don't grow any taller.
I'll catch up with you one day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear John. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
John!
Happy birthday, John. Hope that life is less stressful from now. I should come around regularly and check that you're taking it easy.
John, here's to wish you an happy birthday. You're now in your 50s. Your 40s are long gone now, same as me. And I hope you know how it feels to be done with a surprise. Happy birthday, John.
Happy birthday.
Birthday wish for John.
My mum would have been touched.
It can only get better from now on. Take that from a couple of oldies.
Exactly. As long as it don't go downhill, you'll be alright.
Happy birthday, John. You can see I'm busy. Enjoy your evening. Love Bertie.
Hi John. Birthday wishes from Cliff and Karen. You old bastard.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear John. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Johnny, hope you have a wonderful evening and that the shock doesn't kill you that we're all here. It's just absolutely amazing and you're a really great guy and we're so happy to know you. Hope you have a wonderful evening and well, we'll see you around. What do you want to say, Harvey? Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Chip. Go, are you recording? Happy birthday, Chip.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Have a nice evening.
Hi John, nice to know there's somebody older than us. I'll see you at our party in 2 weeks' time.
Happy birthday John.
John, happy 50th, lots of love. John, have a wonderful birthday. You've got all your friends here, your family, and I know if your mum was feeling better, she'd be here too. Lots and lots of love.
Hello John, happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday. I played at your 40th, so I'm going to ruin your 50th by playing for it again. Thank you very much indeed. Bye-bye.